dargaggoonni immoo obboleessa keenya ta'ee jiru. Ayyaanni Oromoo nu bira jira jechaadha. Kanaafi namni kuni odoo namuun gaafatiin dhuma isaatiin gaafate. What I'm saying, yesterday when you gave us a short speech there, everybody loved you. They say everybody wish you to be their brother. All fathers, the elders, they say, oh, I'll be very glad if this person, my son. And the youngest want you to be their brother. And the children say, oh, this type of dad is good. That's all what is in my people's mind. I can read sometimes. So today we have one more American like to be part of Oromo. You know, always we say Oromo, those who gave up to statistic of Ethiopia, they put down always 35 million. A person like me, 60 million. There are others who say 50 million. At least we compromise. Today, we have 50 million and 3. So we will start the ceremony the same way we did yesterday. As I told you yesterday, after I finished the ceremony, some people approached me. They told me there are many things that remain to make it complete. In a situation like this, we have history if it's important. In a situation like this, where especially we are in exile, we left our family and our food back home. We don't have them. Always our tear comes when we do something about this adoption or Hamachisa and many Guba and the Reja is still as exiled people. We missed something back home, which we don't have it. We don't have even Boku with us. We don't have a Chachu with us. Kalacha is holy. We can't travel with Kalacha. Kalacha remain in the individual hand. So there are many things remain. And please don't try to correct me. In different areas, some variety of change exists even within Oromia. I have seen it. I participated if I don't play a major role. I watched the whole night one day what they are doing. We don't have all that. The name who finally called Madarsa, his name was Mashasha. He became Oromo, an Amhara guy, and I have observed that one. So please, we can make it an average of our understanding with the small knowledge we have. At this moment, in this house, Dr. Gamachu and Dirbe, they are here. I know 100% they know better than me. But it doesn't matter. In this area, I am who is remaining. And therefore, I'm asking here. So, I tried my best. And I am willing to be corrected in the future to make it better than this.
It's very funny.
Okay. Here, my sister, his mother, her name is Kuru. Yeah, Kuru, but yeah, she has an American name. That's why I asked her which one she likes to be called. That's Oromo. And his father, even he don't look like the father. We can say his father, it's possible. And his father, as Mogasa son, he can take as father. Okay, and therefore he's the father, she's the mother. They are witness. They are also not witness. They are willing their son to be an Oromo. And you all are witness for this. Okay, please repeat after me. I say, you know, your name is Lammii. I, Lammii.
I, Lammii.
Love the Oromo people.
Love the Oromo people.
I understand your history.
I understand your history.
Which is my history.
Which is my history.
I understand your struggle.
I understand your struggle.
And I learned it's my struggle.
And I learned it's my struggle.
I admire Oromo people.
I admire Oromo people.
You kept the Oromo culture.
You kept the Oromo culture.
And the Gada system.
And the Gada system.
I voluntarily approached you.
I voluntarily approached
this great nation.
This great nation.
To adapt me.
To adapt me.
To your nation.
To your nation.
From this moment.
From this moment.
Take me as one of you.
From this moment, take me as one of you.
I am an Oromo.
I am an Oromo.
From now on, my name is Lammii.
My name is Lammii.
Call me Lammii.
Call me Lammii.
Thank you for becoming part of us. We would like to make a 2-minute speech. You heard him speak yesterday. He is just like Martin Luther King, isn't he? He speaks just like Martin Luther King. So please come over and say a few words. Thank you.
My brothers and sisters of my adopted nation. I want to first of all start by saying that I am not historically naive. I am one who historically and accurately wants to substantiate himself within the struggle of all people. And if I take on that struggle, then I have to become Oromo, because the Oromo struggle is the struggle of all people, of all humanity.
That's right.
To assume that some radical elements, some elements that have power over a people within any continent have been responsible for this is not the way it is. It is our ancestors who have been crushed and robbed of their indigenous land that tell me if you want to be a liberator, you have to help to liberate Oromo people, because those people are our people. And I say to those who even have a name that is not your name, and you are here today, and you call yourselves Oromo, follow in the tradition of your original ancestors and take on the name that is a true Oromo. Because if you are Oromo and you struggle and carry on the name of your oppressor, then you truly cannot be liberated. We cannot deny ourselves. We have to be who we are. And then finally, I want to leave you with words that came from Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King. He wrote a speech called The Three Dimensions of a Complete Life. And in this speech, he talks about height, depth, and breadth. In terms of height, let us as Oromo people strive higher beyond the foot of our oppressor that keeps their selves over us. Look higher than your oppressor, because you are. Look to Gakagorecha, who is your God, the one God that we all come from and that reflects us. Height. In terms of breadth, let us realize that there are others outside of us that can contribute to our struggle, and let us widen our struggle and bring others into the struggle of the Oromo people, because it's not just about Oromo, it's about all humanity. And in terms of depth, let us become deeper in our struggle so that we can have the fortitude to speak the truth to power that exists. Height, depth, and breadth. Garatume.